Liquid asset. Dushyant, savings account, liquid asset, real stock. No, what do you mean by stock? Investments. Shares are called stock. So investments. Then Shilpi, home loan, long-term liabilities. Weber, salaries, incomes. Shreya, income tax paid, expense. Rajeshwari, furniture loan paid, long-term liabilities. Mohini, furniture purchase, yes, expense as well as personal property. Then Anjali, sales commission of Mr. Pandya, income. Sales commission of Mr. Pandya is his income. Okay. Clothing expenses, Prakriti, expense as well as personal property. Suraj, furniture loan outstanding, long-term liability, furniture loan outstanding, just a minute. Yes, furniture loan outstanding is long-term liability. You can see furniture loan paid is 8850.
Expense.
That we have seen as an expense. So outstanding still 8,000 means it will get paid off in 1 year. You'll write it in long-term liabilities, but when you find that any loans outstanding, you'll always write in long-term liability. But when you find that current liabilities, then you'll include it in the means liquid ratio. Then you'll include it in current liabilities. Okay, we include the coming year's payments in liquid ratio. Furniture loan paid, did we mark it as long-term liability? We mark that as an expense. And furniture loan outstanding, long-term liability. Hill house, real property. Then Bhavesh, other current liabilities. Yes, short-term liability or current liability. So we have credit card bill outstanding, short-term or current liabilities. Then Parul, laundry and cosmetics, expense and no, laundry is also an only expense. Okay. Then Deval, vacation expenses, expenses. Sumit, other entertainment expenses, expenses. Then Ayushi, dividend receipt. Next page, dividend receipt. Incomes. Richa, home loan installment, expense. Himadri, repair and maintenance, expense. Vishwada, interest receipt, incomes. Then Sangamitra, car, personal property. Prakriti, two-wheeler, personal property. Anushka, car loan outstanding, long-term liabilities. Then here furniture, personal property is correct. So do one thing, that furniture purchase, did you find we mark it as expense as well as personal property? That will come only in expense because this furniture of 37 will include that item of 4500 also. Is everyone clear with this? So that portion will show only in expense. Then Dushyant, bonds, investments. Then there were money market mutual funds. Liquid asset. Money market means short term. Short term investments will come in liquid assets. So money market mutual funds market as liquid asset. Is everyone clear with this? Ayushi, insurance premium paid off life and health. Expense. Insurance premium is an expense, not investment. Then Suraj mutual fund, investments. There were other long-term loans, long-term liabilities. Should be gas and electricity. Sorry, jewelry and artwork. Personal property. Jewelry and artwork will come in personal property. Himadri, gas and electricity, expense. Real phone, personal property. No, phone means it should be phone bill only. Make it phone bills only expense. Same way cable TV is only cable TV's expense. Then health insurance paid is also expense. Doctor's expenses also expense. What is retirement fund? Investment. Retirement fund is an investment. Food expenses of groceries expense, hotel also expense. Auto loan installment expense, petrol expense. Books purchased expense as well as personal property. Gift expense, Education loan paid expense, other loan paid expense, property tax expense. Other information, utility, medical, departmental store and shopping carts bills outstanding, and the word outstanding, at the end of the year are so and so. All of them will come in short-term liabilities or current liabilities. And education loan outstanding at the beginning of the year was 47,000 now. Education loan outstanding at the beginning of the year 47,000. I think closing outstanding is not given. You can see education loan paid given at the top, same page 9,000 on the right side. So what would be the closing outstanding? 47 minus 9, 36. So write down there 47,000 minus, against 47,000 write down minus, paid 9,000. So 36,000 LTL, long-term liability. Did you understand this, everyone? Okay, education loans closing outstanding amount is not given in the question. So we can find it out of 47 we have paid 9,000, so 36,000 closing outstanding will come in long-term liabilities. Any doubt in this? Now make the formats. First will make income statement. Mr. and Mrs. Pandya. Income statement for the year ended 2014, so 31/12/2014. In income statement we have only one column of amount. First we will show all the incomes. Salary of Mr. Pandya 5,50,000. Mrs. Pandya 154,500. Then in incomes what else we have marked is dividend received 12,000. A sales commission of Mr. Pandya 22,750. Then dividend received 12,000. Interest received 1,950. Anything else marked as income? Nothing else? Leave around 2 lines always, okay? So 550, 7 lakh 4, 7 lakh 26, 7 lakh 38, 7 lakh 39, 40,000, 41,200. 7 lakh 41,200 total. Any confusion with this? Then we'll show all the expenses. Now, expenses. Income tax paid 154,300. Then furniture loan paid 8850. Then furniture purchased 4,500. Yes, what is going on? Clothing 17,000. Laundry and cosmetics 7,000. Tell me if I skip out anything in between. Vacation expenses 20,000. Other entertainment expenses 26,300. Home loan installment 168,640. Repair and maintenance 10,500. Insurance premium paid of life 6,850. Well, 6,950. Gas and electricity 17,500. Phone bills 4,800. Cable TV 2,400. Health insurance 12,000. Doctor's expenses 3,050. Food expenses 24,250. Hotel expenses 34,000. Auto loan installment 25,200. Petrol expense 22,650. Books purchased 14,000. Gifts 2,150. Education loan paid 9,000. Other loan paid 6,000. Property tax 10,000. So, leaving around 2 lakhs. What is the total of expenses? 6,17,890. Now this cash surplus, will we write before investment? No. Having made any investments in the current year, all investments balances are there. Is it mentioned anywhere investments purchased in the current year? No. They are already lying since past. Okay, none of the investments purchased are given to you. Did you understand this? So they all will come directly in balance sheet as investments. So this itself is final cash surplus. No investments are made in the current year. So 741,200 minus 617,890. That is 1,23,310. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts on it? Now, balance sheet is to be made. Yes, after the balance sheet ratios I discuss and you will find it on your own. Okay? So you must be completely confident with this chapter. Tomorrow we will start with the last chapter of your mid-semester syllabus, income tax planning. That is needed too. So that will start tomorrow. Okay. Yes, be related. First is liquid assets, cash on hand 900, savings account 13,350, and money market mutual funds 8,000. Stock is investment, not liquid asset. So 22,250 is liquid assets. Did you understand this? Then investments. In that stock 12,500. Then after stock, bonds 10,000. Then mutual fund 15,000. That's it. No other investments. Retirement fund 20,000. So 20, 35, 45, 57, 500. After investments, real property. Only one house, 12 lakhs. Anything else marked as RP. So directly outer column you can take it. Is everyone clear up there here? And personal property. In personal property we have clothes 17,000. Then furniture 37,000. Jewelry and artwork 15,000. By mistake I have taken them in outer column. And that's why we don't require its totally ratio as such. Then car of 95,000. Two-wheeler 45,000. Books 14,000. That's it. Anything else marked as personal property? Yes. How much? 2,20,000 and bank loan. 15 lakh. 2,750. Okay, total assets 15 lakh 2,750. Now current liabilities. Other current liabilities 450, credit card bill outstanding 3950, then directly in adjustment 1, utility bills 1200, medical bills 750, you will find it in adjustment 1, then departmental store bills 1450 and shopping cart bills 1250, 9050, and long-term liabilities, furniture loan 8,000, then home loan line like 20,000, car loan 42,500, other long-term loans 40,000, education loan 47 minus 9 million 36, sorry 38,000. Anything else marked as LTL? So long-term liabilities I again did not do the total, but what is the total liabilities including 9050? 10 lakh 57,550 and balancing figure 15 lakh 2,750 minus this 4 lakh 45,200 is net worth. Now I'll discuss the ratios and you'll find it on your own. Okay, which is the first ratio you find? Complete it fast, then I'll discuss it. This Saturday you will have the test of earning per share and interim financial reporting. I'm giving 2 chapters at a time instead of all the 3. We have completed 3 chapters in FR so far. So earning per share and interim financial reporting. 2 chapters will be included. Okay? Yes, completed everyone? So solvency ratio, what is the formula? Net worth 445,200 divided by total assets 15 lakh 2,750. Then second, liquid ratio. Liquid assets 22,250. Current liabilities, listen carefully, 9050 plus furniture loan, how much will you take? No, 8,000. 8850, why will you pay in the next year when 8,000 is only pending? Last year, current year we paid 8850, but next year what we will pay? Only 8,000 is pending, means we'll be paying 8,000 amount of loan in the next year. So in current liabilities will include 9050 plus which all loan installments? Furniture loan paid, but not 8850 because now the loan pending is only, means in the coming 12 months we are going to pay only 8,000. Then which other installment? Home loan installment 168,640 completely. Then auto loan installment 25,200 completely. Education loan installment 9,000 completely. And other loan installments 6,000. Okay, once again, what are we including current liabilities? 9050 plus 8,000 of furniture loan installment. Home loan installment 168,640. Auto loan installment 25,200. Education loan installment 9,000, other loan installment 6. Only furniture instead of 8850 you take 8,000 because 8,000 is only pending, so you pay 8,000 in the next 12 months. Did you understand this? Then which is the next ratio? Savings ratio. Cash surplus 123 310 divided by income after tax 741 200 minus tax of 154 300. And debt service ratio, monthly loan payments, just now we did all the loan payments, 8,000, 1,468, 640, 25, 200, 9,000 and 6,000 divided by 12. Okay, and divided by gross monthly income, 741, 200 divided by 12. Start solving. Okay, I'm completing that, you can leave.